Hey BMW blog fans, this is the BMW X6 and 5 tips you need to know. Let's check it out. You can adjust the passenger seat from the driver's side. Click L2, use the driver's side controls to adjust the passenger side. You can voice command to open up the driver window. Open the driver window.
Okay, I will open the driver's window.
There's a drop-down menu, and you can save a shortcut there. How you do it, push and hold whichever app you want to make a shortcut. Add the shortcuts. Boom. Now you have a shortcut there. We can open the sunshade and the sunroof with one action. Double-click the sunroof button. It will open up the shade and the glass at the same time. And last tip, if you want to put the car in park really fast, just turn off the engine. This was Andre from BMW blog. And if you like these 5 tips, make sure that you're following us and hit that bell notification. Till next time, see ya.